So today, guys, we are about to do an at-home DIY little facial. So we're about to go into the bathroom. I'm about to take off this full face of makeup for you guys. So yeah, let's just wrap on up and get started. So the first thing I like to do is to remove my eyelashes, and I am going to be removing a full face of makeup. We're going to first go into our Pharmacy Green, I think it's Green Clean Melt Away for your makeup. I'm going to rub that all over my face, melt the makeup, and wipe it off with a Neutrogena wipe.
Like the day before, you're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed.
So next I'm going to be taking my Purity Clean by Philosophy, and I will be using my Clarisonic, and we're going to wash my face.
I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
I love using the Philosophy cleaner because it's gonna help remove any of the excess makeup on your face, and it gives my face really clean. Anytime that I am wearing a full face of makeup, I like to go in with this cleanser to remove it.
You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin.
So now I am going into my Pharmacy Deep Sweet Toner. It's a pore cleaning toner. And so I like going in with this toner because if you have any excess makeup, mascara, anything that just so happens to get left behind, this toner is going to help cleanse it, and it's also a little bit of an exfoliating toner. So I really enjoy this. So now we are about to go into our face steamer. I purchased this facial steamer from Amazon. So basically you just put water into the little cartridge, put it in the back, and steam comes out the front, and this is going to open up your pores. It's going to make your skin really soak in your next step for your skincare routine. So I usually steam my face for about 15 or 20 minutes, and I'm just constantly rotating my face so it can all get covered.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
So I am applying a Glam Glow clarifying mask, you guys. I forgot where I put it at, but that mask felt really good, really tingling, like mint. And so I'm just applying it all over the face. We leave that on for about 20 minutes and rinse it off.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying.
So now I am just going to be applying the essence of Tatcha, and then also the Tatcha vitamin C serum, just glowing up this skin and hydrating it, baby.
No, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
We got to keep those lips soft and moisturized with our Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Now we're going into our moisturizer, which is Drunk Elephant. I think it's the whipped cream moisturizer. It's very soothing and very soft and hydrating. So we are using our Rose Quartz roller to just roll in that moisturizer. We're going to also use it for our eye cream. This is just going to help decrease wrinkles and fine lines, also reduce puffiness and do lymphatic drainage. This is very good. Most of the skincare is straight out of my skincare fridge, and it feels so good. The roller came out of the skincare fridge, and it feels so good on your skin. And we're using this Tatcha Silk Peony eye cream. Now I am taking the Pixie Glow Mist spray and just spraying it all over my face. Finish it up. It's just going to give you that glowiness and hydrating.